Xiaomi is gearing up to launch its next flagship product, the Xiaomi Mi 7, in February 2018. The smartphone is rumored to come with a 16MP plus 16MP dual rear camera setup with an aperture of f1.7. Under the hood, the device will be powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 SoC with 6 and 8 GB of RAM. It will have 32 and 64 GB internal memory, expandable up to 128 GB via a microSD card slot. The Mi 7 will have Adreno 540 GPU. The smartphone is expected to have a 6.01-inch bezel-less display with 18:9 aspect ratio, which will be made by Samsung. Other rumored specifications of the device include a rear fingerprint sensor and a ceramic back similar to the Mi 6. The phone will have non-removable LiPo 3500 mAh battery with fast charging support. Connectivity options include their USB Type-C, Bluetooth, GPS, Wi-Fi Hotspot, and dual SIM. Xiaomi Mi 7 support wireless charging, as Xiaomi recently joined the Wireless Power Consortium, which means that the phone will come with support for Qi standard wireless charging. Rumors suggest that the Xiaomi Mi 7 will be priced at around 2,999 yuan for the 6GB variant, which is approximately 29,369 rupees. Xiaomi Mi 7 is rumored to be launched in February 2018 and is expected to run on Android 7.1 OS. The smartphone is expected to be made available in 3 color options, i.e. gold, gray, silver, and will have a built-in fingerprint sensor as the primary security feature, along with a host of connectivity options in terms of 3G, 4G, GPS, Wi-Fi, NFC, Bluetooth capabilities. The phone will come with 64 GB of internal storage. So, what do you think about this smartphone? Comment your thoughts below, and subscribe my channel for more videos.